Hey everybody, this is Paul with CDA. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just give you a really quick demonstration how quick and easy it is for you to get your customers on the schedule, and where your customers simply get on the schedule themselves whenever it's convenient for them. So there's two main methods for that to happen. One is going to be in the in-house substatus, and another method is through you can send them a text. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you how it's done through in-house substatus, and then I'll go ahead and show you how it's done through a text. So we'll go through in-house substatus, and what you'll notice in in-house substatus is that it says, when I send a text update to a customer, I want to also include a link so that they can get on the schedule. And then as you can see on the split screen, I'm kind of showing you what the workflow looks like. So what we'll do is we'll say, hey, the claim just arrived. We're attempting to get the customer on the schedule. And what happens is if you click this checkbox right here that says include a link for the customer to schedule their appointment online, we will insert a link for your customer to get online. And that'll be right at the end. So it says, hello, this is Acme. Just wanted to let you know that we're ready to get you on the schedule. Please schedule now. And then what we do is we insert that special link, just like you see over here, so that your customer can click and get on the schedule. And then we just say thank you. And then when your customer picks the date, they will get a confirmation just like you see over here as well. So what I'd like to do is I'd like to show you what that looks like on a web browser, because it is nice and big and easy for you to visualize. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. So we're just going to go ahead, we're going to load. So the customer clicked on the link just like you see over here. And what we're going to say is we're going to say, hey, I want to get my appliance on the schedule. And so what happens is this is loading your real availability. So you're seeing this load the real-time availability. And let's just say the customer wants an AM appointment. Your customer just clicks right here. Then we give them a prompt. Are you sure you want Wednesday? They either say yes or they say no, 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 take me back. Your customers are going to say confirm. And then just like you see over here, we do give them a confirmation. And so here it is. Congratulations, you're on the schedule. So what you're seeing is with quickly using in-house substatus with automation, your customers will get a link and they will click on that link whenever it's convenient for them to get themselves on the schedule. So now what I'd like to do is I'm going to show you a live demo with a mobile phone where your customer service agent will work with the customer to get them on the schedule. And so let's go ahead and show you what that looks like. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and start our demo on a split screen with a mobile phone and simulating what your agents will do to get a customer to get a scheduled link so that your customer can schedule whenever it's convenient for them. So the only thing you're going to do is you're just going to click right here. And what's going to happen is you are going to click on this button right here which says generate scheduled link. And what's going to happen is you're going to go ahead, send this link to the customer, and it's going to show up on the mobile screen as well. And what's going to happen is the customer is going to go ahead, click on the link. They're going to go ahead and schedule what's convenient for them. And then what's going to happen is the customer is going to get a confirmation. And the confirmation is also going to show up in the Pigeons app as well. Now keep in mind that whenever confirmations are sent, they're always available to you anytime you pull up the text message thread. So if you came by in a few days and you looked at the history of the thread, you would go ahead and notice, oh, on this timestamp, the request for scheduling was sent, and the customer went ahead and scheduled on this date, and everything is date and time stamped. So you can really see how easy it is for your customers to schedule for a time and place that's convenient for them when you're using the built-in scheduling system that CDA does provide.